Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and this video has nothing to do with firewood, sawmilling, or homesteading or anything like that. This video is for my knee patients or other patients who have had maybe elbow injuries or any other kind of injuries. Recently, I just came across the CryoForce 1. It's a cold therapy machine that pumps ice water through a tubing system into a big knee wrap or wherever you're going to wrap it, shoulder. For me, I've been wrapping it around my knee. And I'm going to just give you an unboxing video here so you will have confidence in this when you do receive it. I'm very happy with it. Vincent from CryoForce sent this to us. So thanks a lot, Vincent. I appreciate it. Guys, if you got some bad knees, you know how important managing your pain is, and ice is a great way to manage your pain. In fact, it's the primary way I managed my pain when I went through my knee replacement. No opiates at all, just extra strength Tylenol and a cold therapy machine. So check out the CryoForce and check out this video. All right, CryoForce 1. Cold therapy system. All right. Okay, we're going to put this to use real soon. And here they're showing you how to wrap the different parts of your body. So this isn't just the knee, cuff, foot, ankle, hip, shoulder, I think. Wow. Excellent. Vincent from CryoForce sent this to us, and I'm in big need of it. And if you have arthritis or a knee replacement, you're in need of it as well. This is only the second time ever using this CryoForce machine, but boy do I like this one.